Corbin. Smile, Corbin. Corbin. Smile. Anytime you smile. He's using the force on that pancake. Smile.
It's gonna fall, baby.
Are you gonna smile? Smile. Smile. Corbin, Mama, take a picture. Okay, Corbin, you ready? Ready? Okay. Corbin, look at Mom. Corbin, look at Mom. Smile. He just does a little bit. What's Eden doing? She's just chilling out there. Hi, baby girl. Oh, Daddy's shirt. Hi, Princess. Hi, Princess. What you doing? Yeah, that's my pretty girl. She's got to hit her little bumbo seat there. Hi, Princess. Hi, baby girl. Corbin. Corbin, look at Mom. Smile. You're such a silly boy. He's just an angry face. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. No, no? Okay, I won't get you. Kisses? Oh, you got syrup all over your mouth. I'm not gonna give you a kiss. Oh, he cleans off with a spit. There you go. That's better. Yeah, wash it down with some milk. My house in California. It will be orderly soon. I should get a video of it before I make all these changes to it. I just mean the cabinets and stuff.